Today, I will teach you how to prepare a very simple yet effective food known as the elixir of life. If used regularly for a period of at least 3 months, it cleans the skin and is useful for joint pain, osteoporosis, and arthritis problems. This food consists of a combination of 3 food ingredients, each of which is very useful on its own, and together they make a great potion. First, honey, the king of world foods. Honey is actually the extract of nature. Honey is rich in antioxidants, has antiseptic properties, is useful for digestive system, improves the sleep, relieves the stress, and reduces fatigue. The second is vinegar. In any house where there is vinegar on the table, the people of that house rarely get sick. Especially, vinegar is a good friend for your heart and polishes it. Vinegar revives the heart. It's impossible for someone to deal with vinegar and get heart diseases. If you eat a spoonful of vinegar every day after lunch or dinner, you will not suffer from hypertension, hyperlipidemia, and diabetes. Vinegar strengthens the gums and destroys harmful microbes in the stomach. And the third is olive oil, which is one of the best and healthiest oils in the world, and almost without a rival. People in Mediterranean countries who consume more olive oil live longer and suffer less from cancer, especially colon cancer and breast cancer. Any part of the body that gets the properties of olive oil will not get sick. Since olive oil is soft, it doesn't deposit in the veins and doesn't block them, and it reaches the organs. This oil is anti-diabetic, anti-cancer, anti-heart disease, useful for skin clarity, and increases body metabolism. And of course, olive oil is very useful for treating constipation, which is the mother of diseases. If you want to know very simple and practical ways to treat constipation at home, you can watch this video. Just pay attention to 2 points when using olive oil. First, it should be kept in a dark container, and secondly, the lid should be tightly closed so that air doesn't reach it. If you think the content of this channel is useful for you, please like the video so that it's recommended to more people. And by subscribing to this channel, you can access simple yet practical tips about proper nutrition and healthy lifestyle. Thank you. The recipe of this food is to mix 4 units of olive oil with 2 units of honey and a unit of natural grape vinegar and mix it completely. For example, if you want to do this with a spoon, take 4 spoons of olive oil, 2 spoons of honey, and 1 spoon of vinegar and mix it. Then for at least 3 months, eat this combination 3 days a week with whole wheat bread for breakfast or dinner. This food is especially useful for people with skin problems because it cleans their skins. It's also very useful for people who have problems with joint pain, arthritis, and osteoporosis. If you have elderly parents who have body pain, it's recommended to give them this combination. And at the end, if you want to know how to turn food you eat into a useful and natural medicine for your body by following simple tips, watch this video.